Hello. So here we are for one more stand-up for our Pacific Rim US time. Today here with me is Vijaya and Patrick. So let us start with Vijaya.
Yeah, I'm working on 423 notification of the face manager. I think I finished that one. I created the push request, but one of the integration test is failed. I closed my pull request. I'm checking the integration test. That's up.
Do you have any blocker?
No blocker, only the integration test.
Okay, so Patrick.
Yes, so I reviewed some PRs. I wrote a spec for the Cruncher Sandbox API, and I looked at some technology involving inline viewing of documents like PDFs and Microsoft Word. So I suggested some changes to how Laura goes through her story, which is where we need to give the employer access to the most recent version of the job seeker's resume. So she's added a story to do something in advance of inline viewing, something simpler, like just allow the employer to download the latest version of the resume. And that's about it right now.
Okay. So me during the weekend, I think I reviewed some PRs. I have to revisit them to see if changes were made. I don't think so. And I also reviewed your wiki document. You didn't link it on the pages?
I should link it on the homepage eventually, but
Okay, because if I don't go through your link, I think I cannot access it.
oh, it's on the wiki page. It's just, you look at it on the right-hand side.
Okay, there you
It's
go.
listed there. Yep.
And so I created a initial version of the API points. And also, I think I more or less created what's in here. Yeah, I think so. And that was it for me.
Okay, so you implemented.
Any question or anything?
You implemented to the logic outlined in the spec, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll put that link then on the, so it's easily findable on the homepage, so people can see that, and then they can develop against that. Then, what's the URL we use to access that?
Still doesn't exist yet because it's not yet merged. But the URL. So it
I'll
should
just put it on the.
Something like. So I just pasted it on the channel.
Channel.
It should look something like that.
Okay, V and 5 nines. Okay, good. All right, I'll put that on the wiki page as well. Okay.
Okay, so anything else? Any question?
Not for me. Jed, I was looking at your code. I know you
Okay.
closed your story, but I have a recommendation or two. Do you want to just hang out and go through that right now,
Yeah.
if you want to? All right. Let's see. I'll just share my screen. Can you see the screen, Vijay?
Yeah.
Okay. So on event.rb,
Hmm.
so you build this notify list
Yeah.
there. Let me see if I can.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was just wondering, it might make sense as long as you're checking if there's a job developer and you add the job developer's email to the notify list. Because you've
Hmm.
already executed this logic to confirm that there's a job developer,
Hmm.
I would suggest moving this whole pusher thing into that if clause. Because
Okay.
here you're doing the same logic again as you're doing up
Hmm.
here, so might as well combine them into one. Similarly
Okay.
with, of course, case manager and
Okay.
case manager. So that make it a little bit cleaner. Um, yeah, that's good. Notify list. And I noticed you noticed a problem that we had. We actually weren't testing notification of the case manager for job seeker applied event. So thank you for that. Thank you for
Yeah.
picking up on that. That was a miss. That test should have had that in there before. Let's see. What else have you got? And then you've got job application accepted. You're testing notification of the job developer. You're testing notification of the case manager. That looks great. This one I didn't understand. So you're testing email notification to both of those agency people too.
Okay.
So the thing I didn't understand is the test before had change all emails by 2.
Yeah. The existing test I used, I did not change anything there. Just I changed only it statement only. It is passing. You wrote the code before the by two and by one.
Yeah. So what I don't understand is, and I know you didn't look at it because it works, but why if the old test had changed emails count by 2 when we
Hmm.
were just notifying one agency person, now we're notifying 2 agency people,
Hmm.
yet the count's not adjusted to go up by 3. It still
Oh,
stays at 2. So we should look into what's going on there. I'm not sure what's happening.
okay.
Are you sure that the email to the case manager as well as the job developer are going out? Did that work in your development environment?
Yeah, but test cases I used one of the user, but he didn't have resume. That's why I in my development and I did not test fully.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, I create the job seeker and go through the select the job and applying the job and accepting those things. There is no resume.
Okay, so the job seeker here in this test, where's that? Where's that set up? Up here somewhere? Where do we actually create this job seeker? Right here.
Yeah.
So we have a case manager. So email should be going out to both of these guys.
Yeah, I added case manager there.
Yep. So again, I don't understand why that test doesn't change the count of emails from 2 to 3, since we're adding an additional email going out. So this is what I don't get this. That's strange. Can you look into that? Try to figure out what's going on there?
Yeah, I'll see.
At first glance, it looks like that should be a 3 because it was 2 before, right? So,
Yeah.
and I think it was 2 before because,
Yeah, before it is two, I did not change anything.
yeah.
I think I did not.
I think, let's see, what happens when we create the application object? See, let's go up here. I know that's There's application. Okay. So the reason why it was 2 when we only were sending 1 email to the job developer, Jai, so that's line 30, right? So we're actually, when we're doing this test, it's creating the application in a lazy way. When it needs the object, it creates it. So it doesn't create the object until it executes this. So the application is now being created. And so the application, sorry to scroll up and down. I know that's tough to see when you're looking at it on your screen. So the application here, this results in an application, a notification going out to the job seeker's job developer that the job seeker has applied to a job.
Okay.
Does it also go out to, well, anyway, I think the creation of this object is causing an email to go out. So that old test caused, we had an email go out with the application object being created, and we also were sending out an email to the job developer, hence the count of emails went up by 2 for this test. Now we're sending out an email for the application create, email for job developer, and to case manager, presumably. So that should be 3. I don't know why that.
I think we lost Patrick.
Yeah, it is happening. His hangout.
Sorry.
Again.
How long was I out?
Not much.
Okay. So Vijay, would you mind looking at that then?
Yeah.
Why is that not 3? It's still 2. I don't get that. But anyway, I'm sure there's a reason. That test passes, right?
Yeah, test everything is possible.
Everything's passing. Okay.
Yeah.
Are we delaying the emails there?
We are where it shouldn't be. Let me see at the top there. What's going on? Let's see. That may have something to do with it. I thought we were delaying, turning off email delay.
Can you run this locally, Vijay?
Yeah.
And is it failing in your box? This test.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Where am I? Where am I? Development. So what does that count in production? Oh, in production it's 1. Vijay, can you see that?
Mm-hmm. Very.
Unless there's a PR that has not yet been put into place. Oh, wait a minute. Look at the wrong place.
If it is 1 and if we add 1 more user, I think it is 2.
Yeah. Okay. Then looks like we might be fine. I'm not sure why for your PR it was indicating that it was.
If it's 2, something changes it to 2.
Something changed it to 2, but in your PR it's not. Go back again.
I did not change
PR.
anything here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
And
Is
one
it
of
in
the
the event spec? Is it in the event spec?
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, event
The
spec.
PR that adds that application reject event, right?
Yeah.
The PR that adds that is Sanchez 1.374.
Sanjay's, you said?
374.
But that hasn't been committed, right? All right. Well, I guess we can leave it alone for Jay. If it works, it works.
Nevertheless, where is your PR that fails here? We have it.
I think you
We don't
closed
have
it,
it.
right?
We just need to reopen it and see if it fails, and then we can see what's happening there.
Okay.
Because if we're looking at a closed PR, I have no clue what GitHub will do with that. So
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to make that minor change I recommended, Jai, or do you want to go ahead and do this?
Just I can check the integration test before everything is posted, and I will change the whatever your suggestion and
Yep. Okay.
push into.
Sure, makes sense. All right. Let me stop.
Okay.
press
All
the
kinds
wrong
of.
button. You can share it without leaving the call, you know.
Oh, I didn't mean to leave the call. I'm just. This thing's dropping me 3 or 4 times a day now, where it used to be rock solid. I don't know what's going on. That is one way to stop sharing, I suppose. Stop the call.
Okay, so anything else?
No, not for me.
Yeah, only this one. I worked with this one in the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched in the client meeting video and our sandbox thing. The current sandbox, development test sandbox. Patrick, he wrote the document.
Oh, the Cruncher Sandbox?
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds like it's going to be available fairly soon, which means we can move those. We can vote on those stories having to do with matching and get going on that. Although everybody right now has got stuff to do. So you opened it, huh? It's running CI test right now?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's running.
do you remember how it failed before? What Cucumber test failed?
Yeah. Application acceptance test in feature 40 it is failed.
Okay. All right, we'll see how it goes, but I guess we don't need to hang out and watch it, huh? Could be a while.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, I'll see the test
Yeah.
results based, and then I'll update my code also.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Bye.
So
Right.
if you guys need something, I'll be around. So
Yeah.
see you all tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.